Hey guys, I'm Anthony and welcome to Multi-Performance Engineering. I'm quite new to YouTube, so I'd like to thank everybody that subscribed to the channel thus far and is actually prepared to go on the journey with me. You're going to see various things on this channel. I don't want to do the norm. I'll be showing you various things that I make it at this workshop of mine here. And hope you enjoy the journey. In today's video, you'll be seeing me working on it's actually going to probably be about 5 or 6 different parts. So you'll be seeing part 1 of a 70 something, I think it could be 74, 75 Leyland Mini that I'll be working on. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let me show you the inside of the car. It's not too bad actually, it's quite a nice, neat little car. So nice resto mod. Nice seats. Dashboard looks nice and clean. Everything in place. Nice little car. I love the seats. Seats are good. Nice and bucket seats. Looks quite cool. Normal little stains on the roof lining, but not bad at all. Nice little vehicle. I'll show you the back end of the car now. Okay, let's have a look at the back. Very nice. Carpeted out. Speaker going there. I think there we go. Amps tucked away. Nice and neat. Very well thought of boot space in this car. Let's check the engine compartment out. Okay, let's see what's hiding underneath this bonnet. Ah, that's nice, eh? Nice and clean. So we have a Canyon filter, Canyon decals, everything nice in its place. Nice red engine block in head, everything looks good, nice and neat. Yeah, well maintained car. Yeah, not too bad, eh? Okay guys, so this is the Mini we're going to be doing for the channel. One of the cars, one of 3 cars. I'll introduce the other 2 cars to you either at the back of this video or in another video. This is a customer's car. Car is partially stripped. It was a complete car when it came here. Partially stripped it, but I really don't know what happened to that stripping videos. But regardless, we all know how to strip a car. Would have been nice to show you guys though, but yeah, probably show you on the assembly side of things. So I'll be repairing some of the rust spots on this car. And there's a dent on this side here that I'll have to go through. I have to repair. The bonnet I'm going to spray the same color as the car. Repair these little nicks and try to get the gaps better. The front, there's not much work on the front of the car. There's nothing much here on the sides, not really much. Small little dent here. Very little dent. I'll just push that out. That's quick. Bit of surface rust there. Surface rust everywhere, Nothing serious. Coming to this side here, bit of rust here, bit of rot. The water obviously got in there, which corroded this thing, and I think that's like a common problem on these Minis. So I'll be fixing this up here. I'll be plating that out. Probably plating this out here. Obviously, once the water got in here, ran on the inside, corroded this section here. I'll be plating that section out there as well. Then this side, relatively straight. Just needs a blow over. Coming around, we got just a little bit of rust there. This is actually why the vehicle's actually here. It's this dent here. Somebody got in from the side of the car, gave it a good old bash here. But these are solid vehicles. If this was a modern car, I think it probably would have been written off. This B pillar would have been completely in. But being a little mini, very strong. Once again, same mini problem here. I'll be plating that lot out there, repairing this dent, yeah, and then giving the car a complete respray. So she was going to be sprayed the same color. This yellow is a little bit faded, so it's going to be more or less this color here. It's a bit darker. You can't really see. The camera's not really doing justice to the color that is going to be, but that's going to be the final color on the car. So I'll be taking you through the different stages of the repair of this vehicle in my little home workshop here. So if you see things in the background that looks not like a workshop, simply because it's at my house. This is where I do all my work from. And behind these covers on that side are the other two vehicles that I'm going to be repairing for the channel. I'll introduce that to you, like I said, at the later stage, maybe at the back of this video, or maybe in another video, so look out for that. There'll be some interesting builds there, some interesting cars. I had them for a while already. They have a certain amount of work done to them already, but now with that I have this YouTube channel, I'll be motivated to fix them eventually and you know, get them done. Anyway, let's crack on. So my first job that I'm planning on doing is to push this dent out, to get this dent out here. The door opens and closes fine. There's no issues with the opening and closing of the door. That's 100%. It's just dented a little bit there. Yeah, let's crack on. Okay, brought out the big boys. My little hydraulic kit. I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna have to jack this out. There's not many real spots. The main crease is over here. The main crease is here. So I reckon I'm gonna jack probably here and probably on this strong spot here. This is quite a tough spot, so I'm gonna just hook the one side there, pump this side, and I just want to see what the initial reaction is. So I'm just going to set up the equipment. Right, let's take out the jack. Gonna put it gonna let it push against there, like I said, and then the ram go here somewhere against this section here of the metal here. I'm gonna put a foot in there, and then I'll put it that side. I think I'm going to try something like this. So it'll push something like that. I'll get the ram to push a nice concentrated load there. So I think I'll use this one to push here, just to see what it does under pressure. Like, I'll just apply a little bit of pressure and then just see what it does. Okay. Stick this in here. Okay, start pumping and let's see. Okay, let me just take some measurements quickly. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the ashtray mount here on this tunnel. I'm going to use this as the addendum, and I'll measure from here to this edge here, just to see what that distance is, and then I'll go on the opposite side and measure that side. That's the driver's side, and I'll go measure that side as well. So if I run this tape measure from here over to here, see we're on 600. So if I run that like that, we're on 600. Let's go check the other side. Put the tape measure in, touch the yeah, I'm just touching the ashtray, same that side. Come out, we're on 610. So it seems like that side is 10 millimeter in. So that will be just a nice benchmark to work towards, to pump that out to 610. You can see there. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I got the pipe going out of the passenger side door. I'm actually going to reroute the hose through this body glass section here, and actually close the door and pump it out as a unit, just to see what happens. Okay, so what I've decided, I'm actually going to pump this out first here, just to see what type of movement I got here. This section is fairly strong on the vehicle, so I think I'm going to apply some gentle heat to this section here, just to give the metal a little bit of pliability on this section here. I'm just going to apply a little bit of heat here, but before that I'm actually going to give it a few pumps. Okay guys, so on that note I will end this video. Like I said, this video will consist of various parts in the process of repairing this Mini. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment on the videos. That will be appreciated, just to get your opinion on the work being done. So yeah, until the next one, thanks for watching.